We have three types: abrasive belt press machine, hydraulic abrasive belt press machine, pneumatic abrasive belt press machine, and roller press machine. For the pneumatic abrasive belt press machine, we also have three models, which can press the joint of the abrasive belt with maximum width 480 mm, 800 mm, and 1600 mm respectively. Their pressure are 15 ton, 25 ton, and 40 ton respectively. Each of them can be also made into the hydraulic press machine. For roller press machine, we have four models, which can press maximum joint width 400 mm, 1600 mm, 1900 mm, and 3200 mm respectively. The model PRS R400 is a continuous press machine, which is mainly used to press the joint of narrow belt. The other three molds are mainly used to press the joints of cloth and paper wide belts. Even though ideal to process wide belts, all these machines can also press narrow belts.